What is going on, YouTube? Bionic Man here with another Spreza box unboxing video. This is a very interesting company, and I'm going to recap some of the stuff about it. For $28 a month plus shipping, they will give you a bunch of different accessories, socks, ties, tie bars, cufflinks, all that different type of stuff, whatever you're interested in. They have about 5 to 7 different kinds of varieties of boxes that you can choose every month. And I have loved mostly everything that I've seen on there. Obviously, it's, customized for what you like. But this box in particular stood out to me this month. So let's see what we got here. The cool thing is that, like I said, there's a bunch of different boxes that you can get every month, but each different one has some sort of a different type of theme. I've seen some of the other ones on there where you can get, like they had a bar theme. This one was more of a blacked out theme. So let's see what we ended up getting here, guys. Nice box, stacked nice, looks nice. So the first thing we got here is a New York bespoke black tie. Very basic, just what I was looking for, sort of black tie, perfect for wearing to a formal event, whether it be a funeral or a wedding, but definitely worth having just a basic sort of black tie. The other thing they have here is a pair of same company bespoke black socks. It doesn't hurt to just have a plain color. And in some of my other boxes, they're, different color, but this is the first one that I've got that was just all blacked out, which is what I was really interested in. The next thing we got here is a pocket square with some nice flower design on here. And on the back, it actually even shows you different ways that you can fold the pocket square. They have the classic, the peaked, and the unconstructed fold. So I think that part's interesting. Allows you to see how you can style them. I've gotten a bunch of these, whether from Spreza Box, which is my favorite, but I've gotten a couple from the Gentleman's Club, and I have loved all of them. And then one of the last things that I got was this Dibby hat. So this is a nice hat. It feels like a good quality construction, and it feels comfortable. I mean, it's springtime right now, so I'm probably not going to have too much more, time to wear this hat. It's been in the 40s to, mid 50s around in the area I'm in. But I definitely will look forward to using this next year. Now, I also got 2 different kind of gift cards. A gift from Vincero Watches. A $50 gift card right here. $50 off any watch order of $100 or more. That's pretty nice little gift card, little nifty gift card that we got here. And then I also have a Naked Wines wine voucher. It's a $100 wine voucher. It says to claim within 30 days. It comes with a code and a password. And it says get $100 off any case of wine priced at $160 or more with delivery included. So no matter what you're interested in, no matter what you're looking for, they definitely have something for everyone. I really, really like these boxes, but I thought the black, just basic kind of look was going to be probably the best. So that's why I went with this one. If you look on their website, like I said, at any given time, they have about 6 to 7 different boxes throughout the month. So I'm sure if you don't like this theme, there's something that you would find that you would like. But that's pretty much it with the Spreza box. Seem to be very basic. I love, spending the money here. I mean, this tie alone would probably be a $20 or $30 tie with, a nice $5 to $10 pair of socks, and then the pocket square, probably another 10 to 20 bucks. So with everything in total in value here, and then including the gift cards, there's probably about $60 to $70 in value, just, you know, with the gift cards alone, and then adding the all the other stuff that you're getting in there, I think it makes it worth the while. Like I've always said, if you guys like the videos, you like what I'm doing here, be sure to give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe so I can keep making more of these videos. Love making these videos for you guys. Love showing you what I'm getting, and I love getting this stuff too, nonetheless. So, you know, if you guys like it, make sure you guys subscribe. And until next time, I will be coming back hopefully soon with a Stately Men video, and I'll be coming back like always with my next bespoke post video. Feel free to check out the page and see if there's other stuff that you like. So until next time, guys, Bionic Man out.